Hello everybody, today at Bob's Watches we're introducing a pre-owned Rolex Yacht-Master 16622. This watch has a Y serial number that was produced around 2001 to 2002. The characteristics include a stainless steel Oyster bracelet with an Oysterlock clasp. The dial is a platinum dial with luminescent hands and hour markers, with a red seconds hand. The case is 40mm stainless steel with a platinum bezel and contains an automatic 3-1-3-5 movement. This Yacht-Master comes with a Rolex box, booklets, and we offer a Bob's certificate of authenticity. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 16622 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.